Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to apply to Zoho Schools. The application process is designed to find individuals with a genuine passion for technology and continuous learning. Zoho Schools offers an intensive, tuition-free program focusing on real-world software development. Candidates are selected based on their aptitude and enthusiasm, not just their academic history. It's a chance to build a career with hands-on experience and mentorship. To be eligible, you should generally be between 17 and 25 years old, with a high school diploma or its equivalent. We look for individuals who are genuinely curious and eager to learn, regardless of their past academic performance. Strong foundational knowledge in mathematics, logical reasoning, and effective communication in English are key areas. Your ability to think critically and solve problems will be evaluated during the initial stages. The application process starts with submitting your online form, ensuring all personal details are completely accurate. Following this, candidates typically undergo an initial aptitude test, which assesses your skills in mathematics, analytical thinking, and basic computer knowledge. If you perform well, you will be invited for subsequent interviews. These sessions are designed to understand your personality, communication abilities, and how you approach challenges, often involving practical problem-solving exercises. To maximize your chances, dedicating time to practice logical reasoning and fundamental mathematical concepts is highly beneficial. During the interview stages, it is essential to be your authentic self. Express your genuine interest and show your unique problem-solving approach. Understanding Zoho's company culture and values will also demonstrate your commitment. Remember, Zoho Schools seeks individuals who are passionate, dedicated, and eager to contribute to a collaborative learning environment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.